Now see this question. What is the question saying? You spent 1/2 hour on homework last night, and 1/4 of the time was spent on mathematics. What fraction of hour did you spend on mathematics? Okay, that means yesterday what you did, total time you see, total time you studied is how much? 1/2. That is 3/2 hour you studied yesterday. That is 1.5 hour. And the question is saying 1/4 of that time was spent. 1/4 of that time is spent on mathematics. Now see, very easily we can solve this. Now see this particular part. 1/4, that means the total time has been splitted into 4 parts. Now if we add all the 4 parts, we are going to get 3/2 hour. That is 4 parts. 4 parts equal to 3/2 hour. Fine. We simply have to find one part. So therefore one part equal to, one part is how much? 3/2 divided by 4. So when you do this, it will be 3/2 into 1/4. That is how much? 3/8 hour. So you have spent how much time on maths? You have spent 3/8 hour on maths. This is a very easy question, and using this method I think you will be more beneficial while in solving such type of questions. You see? Now say this question. What is the question saying? After covering 3/4 of my journey, I find that 15 kilometers is still left. How much distance is the total journey? Okay, see this part. This fraction you see. After covering 3/4 of my journey, that means what? My entire journey is splitted into 4 parts. I've completed this, and one more part of my journey is still to be completed. And the question is saying that part which I haven't completed, it is 15 kilometer. This is 15 kilometer. That is what? This is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4. When we add 3 1/4, this is 1/4. Okay, this is on another part is also 1/4, this is also 1/4, and this is also 1/4. When I add these 3 parts, this 3, then what comes? It comes 3/4. That is 3/4 part has been given. Now plus 1/4 will give me what? Will give my total journey. Total journey will be given by this. Now we have to find this part, 1/4. Okay, now see here and how we will proceed. It's a very easy question. Within 1 minute you can solve this. Now that means what? My one part is left. Which part is left? This particular empty part is left. This part is left, and this part is what? 1/4. Okay, this 1/4 is very good. Now 1/4 is equal to how much? 1/4 is equal to 15 kilometer. And how we know it? We know it because it is given here. See, I find that 15 kilometer is still left, and according to fraction part, how much part I am left out? I am left out with 1/4 part. Now if you see, 1 by 4 part of the total journey is 15 kilometer. Then total part is what? How much? 1 by 4 is 15 kilometer. Then one part. Okay, this is one part. Then I'm rubbing it again. What? One part, which is considered to be total, one part equal to 15 into 4. Let me rub this part, all these parts I'm rubbing. Then it will be very clear for you to understand. Okay, you see, 1 by 4 is 4 part is 15 kilometer. Now one part is how much? One part is 60 kilometer. Yes. Such type of questions, you see, it can be very easily done. Okay, okay, check this question. What is the question saying? In a school, 4 by 9 of students are boys and number of girls is 775. Then find the number of boys. Okay, so there is a school. So this is a school. Okay, this is there is a school particular. This is a school. And the school got boys and girls. And they are saying that the number of girls is only given, that is 775. We are asked to find the number of boys. In such type of questions, we can proceed in two ways: by taking X method or by the method I have shown you earlier. Fine. Let's move with the easy method, that is the X methods. Since we don't know what is the total number of students, so let the total number of students be X. Okay. Okay, see, let total students be X. Now, boys plus girls is equal to the total student. Fine. Now the boys is not given, but the fraction is given. You see this 4 by 9. 4 by 9 of the students. Of the student means 4 by 9 of X. We can move in this way. In place of boys, we can write 4 by 9 of X plus number of girls is 775. 775 and is equal to the total students. Now here also there is one variable, here also there is one variable. So take the variable on one side and the numbers on another side. That is 4 by 9x minus x is equal to minus 775. Okay. Now do this calculation. The LCM will be 9. The LCM is going to be 9. This is 4x minus 9x equal to 775 and minus sign is there. After that you do this calculation. It will be minus 5 x by 9 is equal to minus 775. Okay. Then we can consider this minus and this minus will get cancelled out. So here remains 5x is equal to 775 into 9. Now very easily we can calculate the value of x. We can do 775 into 9 divided by 5. Now if you cancel this, it is, if you cancel this, it will be 1, it will be 5 into 9, and when we multiply this, it will be 45, 5, then again 45, then 9, then 1 3 9 5, in the middle of this 1 3 9 5 is the answer. So this is the required number of students that our question was asking. See this, in a school 4/9 of the students are boys and number of girls is this. Find the total number of boys. Now total number of boys we can find in this way. If x is this, okay, if x is this, then number of boys is equal to 4/9 into 1395. That is, now see, this 9 when multiplied with 155 we get 1395. That is, again with the help of this 9 we can get the same number 155, and when 155 is going to multiply 4, we are going to get this and this. It is 620. So 620 is the total number of boys that we are having in that particular school. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question.